And that, folks, is how you make vegan shawarma. Now, everything naturally begins with the seitan here. I'm terrible at making seitan, so I'm very fortunate that we've got Love Seitan that very kindly provided me with seitan chicken for this recipe. I'll put a link in the description. I don't get paid for it. Check them out. Their products are really, really good. So going into the final pita, you're going to need some tahini or hummus or both. So for this, you just want regular tahini, water, lemon juice, give it a good stir, and that's it. Now, the next filling is onions and sumac. You're literally just finely slicing some onions and sprinkling some sumac on there. It's very, very good, and it gives it a nice bite. Next, finely chopped salad, tomatoes, cucumbers, parsley or coriander, salt, olive oil, and lemon juice. Now for the shawarma mix. This is a blend of cinnamon, ground cardamom, ground coriander seeds, cumin, ginger powder, smoked paprika, turmeric, and a bit of black pepper. That's actually the proper way of making shawarma spice. I'll put the measurements in the description if you want to recreate it at home, but it's the authentic one. Also, some very finely cubed onions. I've also got some schug in there. If you don't have that, you can use harissa. And some thin sliced pickles. Let's begin. So I've sliced the seitan into matchsticks. We're going to add that into a mixing bowl with some onions and the spice mix. We're going to drizzle some olive oil into that, and we're going to give that a good mix. Let all the flavors infuse and let that rest for a few minutes before continuing. Next, in a pan on a medium flame with some olive oil, we're going to fry up our seitan mix. Give it a good stir. You'll see the crusty bits at the bottom that start to set. Make sure you scrape all of that out because that's where all the flavor is. Transfer that to a bowl, and now we're going to assemble the pita. Now, starting off, first things first, the chili sauce. Use the back of the spoon to massage that in. Hummus or tahini or both if you have at this stage. Go for it. Then the onions. Add those bad boys in there. Your pickles, the salad. Make sure you get a lot of coriander in there because that's what's going to give it the real fresh bite. The shawarma. And you're going to drizzle some extra tahini on there. If you have something called amba, use that as well. It's a kind of mango pickle, but it's really, really good. It's just not readily available for everyone. That's why I didn't include it in the video, but I used it off camera. Just gonna top that off and just add all the colors, make the colors pop. And that's really it, folks. Very, very simple, easy to make at home. Just make a batch of the shawarma spice and you'll be making this all the time. Really, really good. Folks, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe down below, and I will love you for it.